Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm giving you an honest review of Coursiv.io, a platform that's been showing up everywhere online claiming to teach you AI tools like ChatGPT and help you earn money or become more productive. But is it really worth your time and money? Or just another overhyped course? Let's get into it. Coursiv.io is an online learning platform offering short, mobile-friendly lessons focused on AI, productivity, and digital skills. They often advertise that you can learn how to use ChatGPT and other AI tools in just a few minutes a day. At first glance, it looks promising. Simple videos, clean layout, and designed for people who want to learn fast on their phones. To be fair, there are some good things about it. The lessons are easy to follow, especially if you're a complete beginner. The app layout is user-friendly, and the short video format makes it convenient to watch anytime. Many users say it's a good starting point to understand how AI tools work and how to write better prompts. But once you go a little deeper, you start to notice the issues. The content is very basic. Too basic if you already know anything about ChatGPT, Midjourney, or other AI apps. Most of the lessons cover information you could easily find for free on YouTube or in public AI guides. There are also many complaints online about billing and customer support. Some users said they were charged after the free trial without realizing it was a recurring payment. Others said it was hard to cancel their subscription or get in touch with support. On top of that, the marketing can feel a bit misleading, using big brand names and logos that make it seem officially endorsed, even though there's no real proof of that. After testing it myself and reading through user reviews, I'd say Coursiv.io isn't exactly a scam, but it's not as valuable as it's advertised to be. It's fine if you're just starting out and want to learn the basics in a simple mobile format. But if you're serious about building real AI skills, there are far better and cheaper resources out there. So my honest verdict, Coursiv.io is okay for complete beginners, but not worth it if you already know your way around AI tools. It's not a game changer, just a basic course platform with a flashy marketing strategy. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews about online AI tools and learning platforms. And if you've tried Coursiv.io yourself, let me know in the comments what your experience was. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.